Hey fam, we're Imago.
And you're tuned in to
Easy Rock. Mas December Avenue yata. Ako ha? Hindi, ang isa-save ko.
December have.
Mas December Avenue ang isa-save ko. Itchy Worms. Isa-save ha. We're always saving them. Yan. Sige. Urban Dub. Maintindihan ng Itchy Worms na itataboy namin.
nakakasabay namin sila sa April 28.
Oh, yeah, pala. Also, insert disclaimer, hindi kami nangaaway. Mababait kami sa lahat ng mga
Pinapapili
banda.
lang talaga nila kami.
Pinersa lang kami, guys. So, yeah. Urban Dub
Urban
pa
Dub.
rin yata. Oo. Urban Dub. Parang may gusto mo kumontra, tapos hindi siya makapwesto.
Ano Urban Hill?
Sumagot ka kasi na mabilis para ano.
Uy, Koreano Urban Hill.
Urban Hill.
Urban Dub.
Urban Dub.
Ay, tropa ko yung tropa na.
So, friends namin yung Six Cycle. So, maintindihan nila na Urban Dub
Ito-drop
pa rin.
Akala ko sila yung pipiliin.
Urban Dub pa rin.
Sorry, boys.
Urban Dub.
Urban Dub.
Urban Dub.
Ayan.
Urban Dub pa rin.
Ayan.
Forbes Spades.
Spades. Alam mo, Spades. Salbahe mga Moonstar 88 people.
Lalo na yung drummer nila.
Ang bigat
Drummer
ng
nila.
kasama.
Oh my God.
Grabe.
Kaya, spades kami. Oh.
Forbes Spades.
Forbes
Forbes Spades. Forbes Spades.
Forbes Spades.
Ayaw namin ng bahista nung sandwich.
Sandwich ako.
Oo, ayan. Oo, balita kami.
Oo, grabe
Ayaw
yun.
namin yun.
Katabi ko yun eh.
For spades.
Forbes
Forbes
Spades.
Spades.
Forbes Spades pa rin kasi
Forbes
sila yung
Spades.
bagong Eraserheads. Nox! Diba?
Ihits.
Yan. They're the newest blood in the scene right now. At sila ang one of the reasons bakit nagbubuhay ulit yung band scene. And they just make great songs. Galing nila mag-perform.
Yeah, I saw their concert sa MOA Arena. Perfect. Ang galing.
Sila ang spearhead ngayon ng new music.
We're happy they're back.
They're back.
Yeah.
They're doing their thing.
Promote lang namin yung aming bagong labas na EP. It's called Pasimple. So, meron po siyang 5 songs under that EP. Lagi na lang, gulong-gulo. Sayang na sayang, andito na tayo at pasimple. So, sana po mapakinggan ninyo. Available na siya sa lahat ng mga paborito nyo streaming platforms and sa mga paborito nyo radio stations. Pwede nyo i-request dito sa Easy Rock. Ayun, meron kaming
EP tour.
pasimple EP tour. May 7 sa Takeover Lounge. Kasama namin ang banda ni Cleggy, Tears of Cruz, The Vowels They Orbit, James Lagadia, and next one, May 13, nasa Velvet Playground, kasama ang Hey June, Siddhartha, The Vowels They Orbit, and Better Days. And sa May 16, kasama namin ang River Maya, Six Cycle Mind, The Vowels They Orbit, and Kenan. So,
See you there.
yeah, sana po makapunta kayo. And follow us on our social media accounts. Facebook, Instagram, it's at Imago Music. Nagpo-post kami ng mga updates dun. So, remember someone today with Imago.
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 Bye,
Bye,
fam! Thank you so
fam!
much!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.
Mag-aaway kami pagkatapos ito. Pinag-aaway-away nyo kami. Kayong may kasalanan.